What's up, traders? A very good morning to everybody, and I hope you wish you all good profits for next week or this week. Let's look at gold from a weekly perspective and what we can expect from a weekly perspective. Now, if we just looking at price action itself, you can see that the market has already closed below this strong area of previous support and outturn resistance in the area on the weekly time frame, and we can expect some more push to the downside from this pair or this commodity. So if we go down on a daily time frame, it's quite clear that the market had now started a rejection of this strong area that I already spoke about before. Okay, you can see that the market had made a nice push to the downside, but then followed by this correctional phase, and then of course it started or starting a push to the downside. But we need to be careful and we need to be very reactive about this pair, because if you look at the daily time frame, we still are running in a nice bullish trend line over here. And what we want to see first before we can actually sell this pair is we would like to see a break of this trend line first before we can actually enter. This will give us confirmation to enter if we have a break of this trend line. Once the trend line is broken, you need to wait until the market shows you the correction. Then you can enter on the 4-hour time frame with a very good risk to reward. Okay, the reason why I'm selling this, looking to sell this pair, is if you take your Fibonacci from the high over here all the way down to the low over here, you can see that the market is now starting to retrace or retest the 382 of the Fibonacci, which lines up better with structure in the past. If you can look at this quickly, you can see that the market had previous support here, previous resistance, resistance again, and then broken to the downside. We will find some resistance in this area and possible push to break that trend line. But of course, trading is reactive and not predictive. So if the market will now break this trend line, we will wait until the market will make a correction to this area. Once the market has made a correction to this area, then I will be looking to take a shorting opportunity with my students and VIP members, and with a very good risk to reward. I hope this video was very educational for you. If it was educational, I would like you to hit the like and the follow and also subscribe button right now. Before we carry on, if the market would now start to make a push up through this zone over here, then of course we will not be looking for a sell opportunity, but then we will change our analysis and look for a buying opportunity. But for now, I think that gold has to make a better push down, more clearer push down before we can actually get a bigger push up. So on the daily time frame, if the market breaks this area, we will then look for a selling opportunity to take this pair to the downside. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button right now, and I will see you guys in the next analysis.